Sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda, is a chemical compound with the formula NaHCO3. It is a white crystalline powder that is commonly used in baking, as a leavening agent to help dough rise. It is also used as an antacid to neutralize stomach acid and as a cleaning agent for its abrasive and deodorizing properties. In addition, sodium bicarbonate is used in various medical applications, such as in the treatment of metabolic acidosis and as a component of dialysis solutions. Uses. Sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda, has many practical uses. Some of the most common uses of sodium bicarbonate include baking. Sodium bicarbonate is used as a leavening agent in baking, where it reacts with acidic ingredients like buttermilk or vinegar to release carbon dioxide and create bubbles, which helps the dough or batter to rise. Antacid. Sodium bicarbonate can be used as an antacid to relieve heartburn and indigestion. It works by neutralizing excess stomach acid, which can cause discomfort and irritation. Cleaning. Sodium bicarbonate is a mild abrasive and can be used as a cleaning agent to remove stains, deodorize, and scrub away dirt and grime from surfaces. Personal care. Sodium bicarbonate can be used in various personal care products, such as toothpaste, deodorant, and bath salts. It can help to neutralize odors and promote healthy skin. Medical uses. Sodium bicarbonate can be used in medical applications, such as in the treatment of metabolic